Stock markets are trading lower again. If you are on the ATFX support and resistance indicator, then you would have received notifications to short sell the Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, the S&P, the German DAX, the FTSE 100, but also cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. We are having a very tight correlation between cryptocurrencies and stock market indices right now. So paying attention to both can definitely help. But in this short update, we're going to focus specifically on the Nasdaq 100, the US stock indices, and also the DAX. So what you're looking at here is the price effectively turning lower as we approach the highs here from June 15th. And as long as you trade below this level, it looks like we're going to go down to 11,000, probably followed by 10,800. If we do break above 11,856, then this will be confirmed as a low, and we can probably go to the other end of this range. But it's not necessarily going to change the longer term downtrend. If you look at things like the fear and greed index, it is at low levels, it is at extreme fear, but we're not necessarily as low as we were here on May 11th when we hit a low of 8. What's also interesting is that yesterday, officials from the Federal Reserve in Richmond advocated for another 75 basis points rate hike. Today, the head of the Federal Reserve System, Mr. Jerome Powell, is going to speak, and it's going to be interesting to see what he has to say. But for now, it does look like the central bankers across the world are very much determined on quelling inflation, even if that's going to trigger a recession. As for the Dow Jones, it's also bearish. I think it's going to remain bearish as long as trade below 30,993. We can reach 26,665, followed by 29,000. The S&P 500 is bearish below 3,840. As for Bitcoin, keep an eye on 22,620. Push above here, and we can go up to 28,000. That might be giving us indication that we may be bottoming out in US stock market indices as well. But I don't necessarily think it's going to change the long-term outlook for stock market indices. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button.